Whenever I see a Java developer working very hard and earning too little, I realize they don't know how to be visible in the market and grow their careers strategically. While technical knowledge is essential, it's no longer a distinguishing factor. It has become the minimum expectation from companies. The real challenge lies in understanding that the highest paid developers don't chase after companies, but attract the best companies. Here's the catch: despite their qualifications, many developers need help to get visibility and stand out. To truly shine in this highly competitive market, you must be perceived as someone rare and invaluable. This visibility significantly increases your value and opens doors to exceptional opportunities. It's not just about securing a job at a big company. It's about securing a high salary, working with cutting-edge technology, enjoying a fulfilling life, and having quality time with your family. The key is to make the market desire you rather than merely begging for a job. So you must be wondering how to stand out in the market, and I will tell you now. The answer is to share your knowledge. This is by far the most powerful way to get visibility. It doesn't matter what way you want to do this. You can write articles, create videos, give talks, create books and courses, contribute to open source projects. By doing that, companies and developers will trust your work because they see what you share and do. The benefits don't end here. By sharing your knowledge, you will also fill out the knowledge gaps you have. This means you will have the ultimate learning experience. Therefore, start small, start sharing content you are passionate about, and be consistent. With time, you will see results. Get started as soon as possible. I am Rafael Del Nero, a Java champion and mentor dedicated to empowering developers like you to learn more and boost your careers. If this resonates with you, show your support, give a like and share this content with more Java developers. Join me on this journey and gain access to a wealth of videos and proven strategies employed by the highest paid Java developers in the industry, and together we can help other developers unlock their earning potential much faster by taking consistent and focused actions. So stay tuned, follow me and receive regular updates with valuable content and strategies, and never forget, break your limits.